Remote terminal units. Real-time monitoring and control for remote industrial operations. Hey there, let's explore what remote terminal units is. These devices are a key part of industrial automation, acting as the middleman between sensors, field devices, and control systems like SCADA. So what exactly do RTUs do? Well, think of them as the eyes and hands of your control systems. RTUs gather data from field instruments like pressure sensors, flow meters, and temperature probes. This data is then sent to a central control system, often through SCADA supervisory control and data acquisition, where real-time decisions are made. RTUs are great at working remotely in extreme environments like desert oil fields or offshore rigs, where conditions are tough and human intervention is rare. Their rugged design makes them reliable, even when temperatures or weather conditions fluctuate wildly. Now, one thing that sets RTUs apart is their ability to not only gather data, but also execute control tasks on site. Say you need to shut off a valve or adjust the flow of a pipeline, your RTU can handle that autonomously or based on instructions from a central system. It communicates using industry-standard protocols like Modbus, DENT3, or even cellular or satellite connections when the location is truly remote. RTUs also differ from PLCs, programmable logic controllers. While both are used in industrial automation, PLCs are typically focused on local, real-time control inside a factory or plant. RTUs, on the other hand, are designed for monitoring and control across large, geographically distributed areas where conditions may be less predictable and remote access is essential. Another strength of RTUs is their ability to perform in environments where downtime is not an option. Imagine a utility company monitoring water levels in multiple reservoirs or an energy company managing remote wind farms. RTUs provide critical, real-time feedback that allows these operations to run smoothly and safely, 24/7.